maths, I've got my counting stick out here again. So we've got how many sections this time? Last time we used this one when we had 1, 2, 3, 4. But can you see there's a lot more this time? Let's count how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 sections. And again, it's like a repeating pattern, isn't it? Because we've got blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Now with this can help us think about where numbers would be on a number line. So if I got my number card and I stuck number 1 to the beginning, in that first section, can you work out where I would stick the number 10? Come on, I'll give you a few seconds. Where do you think it would go? You worked it out? Well, if there's 10 sections and we're starting with number 1, number 10 hopefully is going to be here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I could put number 10 here. Okay, but what if I said this time, set these numbers off, I'm not going to put number 1 there. I'm going to pretend number 1's a bit further down, and this time actually we start with the number, what's this number, shout it out? 4. So if we were starting on number 4, where would number 10 come on our number stick, counting stick? Can you work it out? So you worked it out? Well, I know that 4 and 6 makes 10. So if I count on 6, I reckon I know where 10 will be. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think number 10 is going to be here. And let's see if I'm right. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 would be here. So if that's 10, what number would this one be? Can you work that out? It'll be 11, 12. It would be 13, wouldn't it? 13. Right, let's take off 10. This time, I'm going to say that the first number is actually going to be the number 6. So where would 10 be now? Can use your number bond knowledge. Do you know what number goes with 6 to make 10? You worked it out? Well, a minute ago we just said that 4 and 6 makes 10, so that means 6 and 4 makes 10. So I know that I've got 6. I'm going to start, I'm going to add on 4 and see where we get to. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think number 10 should land here on the number line, the counting stick. Let's see if we're right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. So what number would be all the way over here this time? Because it won't be 13, so we started on a higher number. You worked it out? So after 10, we've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'd get to number 15. Okay, so this is the sort of thing you could play at home to practice knowing where numbers are in the number line. Now I've got a picture here of a number story. I wonder if you can tell the number story. I'll just give you some clues. We've got 2 colour teams at the top, and these are football goals. So what do you reckon my number story would be? Have a think and see when you say out loud for me. Remember to pause if I'm going too quick. So I'm going to say my number story is There are two teams. We've got a red team and a blue team, and they were playing football. And the red team scored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goals. 7. And the blue team scored 1, 2, 3 goals. Now, first of all, we know who the winners are, don't we? The red team, because they got more, didn't they? But I'd like to know how many goals were scored in that football match. So to work that out, we need to know how many there are altogether. So we need to count them all together. So we know we've got 7. Do you know, you could put number 7 in your head and carry on your counts. You could go 7, 8, 9, 10. And that would say 7 and 3 makes 10. Right, shall I have another number story this time? This time, if I tell you the number story, can you draw it? And then I'll have a go afterwards, okay? So if I tell you the number story, then pause so that you can draw it, okay? So in the snack tray, there were 10 juicy pears, 5 puffins, 8 a pear each. How many pears were left? All right, so there were 10 pears in a snack tray, 5 puffins, 8 one each. How many pears were left? So pause, draw it, and then we'll have a look together. Right, if you've done that, I'm just going to draw the snack tray quickly. And then I said, how many pears were there? There were 10. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll put one over here as well. 10. So there were 10 pears in the snack tray. I'm going to write the number 10 to remind me. So we've got 10. How many puffins came and took some away? Oh, 5, weren't there? So I'm going to take away 5 pears. So I can't do that, can I? I can't go, oh, let's eat that one. So I'm going to have to cross off 5 so I know how many I've got left. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've taken the 5 away, and then look, the ones that we've got left are the ones that we need to work out the answer. So let's see how many we've got left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 take away 5 is 5. And we know that the other way around, because 5 add 5 is 10. See if you can have a go at drawing your own number 10 story for me this morning. Thank you, Puffins.